Hey there, hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the wiper blades on the 2001 to 2006 LS430. I didn't think mine needed replacing, they were working okay, but then I walked past this one and I noticed that this bottom piece of rubber has basically separated. It's hard to change it from here, so what we're going to do is go inside the car and get the wipers up to the optimal position to change them. I'm going to show you my simple way of doing this. Inside the car, I have the key to the on position. You know you can mist your wipers, so I'm going to do that really quickly and turn it off once it hits the top there. That's all you gotta do. Just be quick with it. You don't want to just turn the wipers on and have them going across a dry windshield. That's not good. That's kind of my little step to get these up here, and you can see that one's definitely split, so we're gonna replace both of these. So this windshield wiper has a little lock on it, and I'm just gonna use the key blade. You can use a flathead screwdriver, but you just stick it in there, pop it up, and there you go. Same on the passenger side. Just pop that up just like that. Once you get it unlocked, you can just slide it down. That should come right off. And then you just have to raise it a little bit. Be careful not to hit your hood. You have to raise it just a little, I think, to kind of slide that out from there. Just gently place this down. You don't want to just let it go because it has a spring and it's going to pop on your windshield. And yet another use for the blade, to open up your box here. So I think I ordered these from Lexus. I'll leave a link to the products in the description. Part number here, 85222. 12750. You'll notice that the passenger side blade is significantly smaller, and that part number is 85212-13031. Basically, you can position this in here and it just should snap right in. So that's in. And this one doesn't have a lock on top like the last one did, so I guess it just depends on what part you get from what dealership. My previous ones I had gotten from a different local dealership, so it had a lock on top, and it obviously looked like a very different wiper blade than this one does. On this one, on the passenger side, the wiper arm will not hit the paint, so you don't have to worry about it there, but you can lift it up so you got enough room to slide this thing off here. Just position it on out, and again, just gently place that down on the windshield. This blade's definitely seen better days, so time to replace it. This does say genuine Toyota, so I believe I've got a good quality part here. So this one again is doesn't have a lock on it, but it has the little bar here that it'll position in. So once you slide that down in there like that, it clips in place, and you just hear a click like that, and now you're good to go. As soon as you turn the power on, these wiper arms are going to come down, so I recommend spraying something onto the glass just to keep it lubricated. So I've got some hoses wash here. I'm just going to lightly mist this windshield here, like right in front of the wiper on both sides. You just don't want it coming across a dry surface. So I'm turning the power on now. Job done. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. Please hit that notification bell so you know when I drop more content like this. I got a lot of LS430 content out there, so check out my LS430 playlist. I appreciate you watching this video. Thanks, and see you on the next one.